Today we're going to be looking at this buy-sell signal strategy on TradingView. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. Hey traders, I hope you're going extremely well. My name's David and welcome to this series where I'm going to be backtesting profitable trading strategies. Today we're going to be looking at one of my all-time favorite trading strategies, the stiff surge. So I guess the best idea is to get straight over to TradingView. We're going to be backtesting the strategy. I'm going to show you the backtesting results and the live trading results, because we all know that our edge is in the data, but backtesting is not enough. We need to make sure that the trading strategies work on real live markets. Right, let's get over to the computer. Let's go through this trading strategy. Okay, as you can see, this trading strategy absolutely smashed the buy and hold, 2,191% on ARBUSDT on the 45-minute on the Bybit data. Okay, that was just a bit of a sneak peek. Let's get into the meat and the potato. Let's have a look at what is actually behind this strategy. Okay, this strategy is called the stiff surge, as I said earlier. It looks like this when we actually add it to the charts. As you can see, it's gone through quite a good winning risk streak recently. Each and every month looks absolutely amazing. We have a couple of red months, but the green months are great. But that is why we actually diversify on 𝗕𝗢𝗟. Right, first things first, let's start adding our indicators to create our plan. Now, of course, when building a trading strategy, you'll need multiple indicators. We're going to look for the first indicator to add our trend direction. We will add then 2 indicators for confirmation. The third step will be adding a volatility or a volume indicator to make sure that we don't get stuck in sideways markets where we're going to get wicked out all the time. We want movement in the market so we can follow on a trend and take as much profit as we possibly can out of the market. We will then add an indicator to set our stop loss, most probably an ATR band or something like that, and then we will calculate our take profits from there. Okay, so here we are back out our charts. First indicator we're going to add is the JMA, which is the Jurik moving average. It's by 𝗕𝗓𝗟𝗓𝗏 just here. If you want this indicator, you can get them all for free on 𝗕𝗓𝗟𝗏.com. Just navigate to the top of the site where you can see free indicators. You'll be able to get all of the 𝗕𝗓𝗟𝗏 indicators absolutely for free. Let us click on this one and add it to our charts. Now the Jurik indicator is going to be giving us our trend direction. We're going to set it to 25. And it's pretty simple. When price is above and it is green, we're looking for longs, and when it's red and price is below, we're looking for shorts. The next indicators are going to be our confirmation indicators. We're going to start with the TDFI, which is the trend direction force index, the TDFI by 𝗕𝗓𝗟𝗏. Now the TDFI I ignored for quite a long time, but it is a very, very powerful indicator. The TDFI goes green when it goes just above these thresholds here. When it goes green, we're looking for longs. When it goes red, we're looking for shorts. So this is our first confirmation indicator. Our second confirmation indicator is the volatility, the VQ0 line average, which is this indicator here. Another one that you can find for free on 𝗕𝗓𝗟𝗏.com. When above the 0 line, this indicator goes green, and when it's below, it goes red. It works hand in hand with the TDFI. We're looking to confirm our longs when we're going green and confirm our shorts when it goes red. The next indicator is a very important indicator and one of my favorite indicators. Is the stiffness indicator. We found this indicator last year. It's been absolutely brilliant at detecting when there's enough movement in the market for us to take our entries. I'm going to add it to the chart. It's pretty simple. The stiffness indicator is this yellow line. The red line is a threshold. Now we're just looking for the yellow line to be above the red line. Whether we're looking for shorts or longs, the yellow just has to be above the red. So I'm now going to add this vertical line for our first entry. As you can see, the JMA is green and price is above it. The TDFI has gone green as well. The VQ is confirming our entry, and the stiffness index is above the threshold. So we're going to confirm our entries. We're going to set a long position on this candle here, and then we're going to add the ATR bands. We're going to set our ATR bands to 3. We're going to set our stop loss to our ATR bands just like that, and then we're going to be looking for a risk to reward of 1 to 1.5. Boom, and we took around 6% out of the market in that entry. Now of course I do realize that I am cherry picking those entries, but we do backtest and live trade all of these strategies, so I guess the best thing is next is to have a look at some of the backtesting and forward testing results. We already saw 𝗓𝗔𝗩𝗜𝗍 earlier. The backtesting results look absolutely amazing when you compare to the buy and hold, which you would have actually lost 69% if you would have purchased up here. But if you would have been running this strategy, you'll be up 2,191%. The max drawdown is 24%, 729 closed trades. With the max drawdown, we are actually using 10x leverage, as you can see just here. So if you decrease the max leverage, you would actually be able to decrease the max drawdown, but that would also entail that you will be making less profit. Let's have a look at some of the other coin pairs. We have this one here on 45 minutes, and this is BTC USDT. As you can see, it's been doing very well the past couple of months. We started trading this all the way back in July, so we're not far off a 1-year result. The next one, the equity curves, looks just as nice. We're on the 90-minute time frame. We've made 2,900% net profit. And as you can see, we're actually on AVAX. The next one is on Atom. We're on the 45-minute time frame, and the equity curve looks a little bit sideways movement, but it is doing extremely well on such a coin pair. We actually lost over the past 7 days, but over the past 30 and 90 days, we're actually doing quite well. I'm going to go through some of the equity curves very quickly, just so that we don't spend too much time. These are all on the David Tech website. You'll be able to find them. This one here is on the 45-minute, and we're on near. This one here is on the 1-hour time frame and also on the near. So we're just proving that it does work on multiple time frames and multiple coin pairs. And finally, this one here is on Ethereum. We're on the 90-minute time frame. We've taken 973% net profit. We have a win rate of 64%, and we have 248 closed trades. So as you can see from the backtesting and the forward testing results, this trading strategy has been extremely profitable over the past year, not only in backtesting but on live trading. Okay guys, I really do hope that you enjoyed this one. Don't forget that you can get access to the David Tech School absolutely for free. Links to all of that will be down in the description below. Without further ado, I'm going to wish you an absolutely wonderful day. Take care, trade like a boss, and I will see you for another strategy backtest in my next video. Take care, goodbye.
Come on, David, and once again he's gone to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. RSI and 𝗚𝗍𝗍𝗍𝗓.